Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2017 Chevy Equinox LT all-wheel drive. Stock number Z9895X. 29,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Equinox brand new, Nightfall gray metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, along with backup camera and rear parking sensors, helping to give it 5-star front and side government crash rating. Hitch and wiring. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, upgraded Pioneer sound system, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel, puts you in that perfect driving position. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel. Large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Can even sync smartphones to Pandora and Stitcher radio apps. And there's of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio, heating and air conditioning, along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, only transmitter for garage door opener and power liftgate control. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 3.6 liter direct injection V6, 301 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 23 on the highway, and approximately 40% of tire tread left. For more information on this Equinox, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.